Giraffes, those majestic giants of the African savanna, have long captured the imagination of humans with their towering necks and distinctive patterns. Yet what many may not realize is that these gentle creatures engage in some of the most peculiar sleeping habits in the animal kingdom. The fact that giraffes sleep less than 30 minutes a day is not just a curious anecdote. It is a fascinating insight into their biology, behavior, and the challenges they face in the wild. To understand why giraffes sleep so little, it is essential to delve into their evolutionary adaptations. Giraffes are prey animals, and their long necks, while advantageous for reaching high foliage, also make them vulnerable to predators. In the wild, the presence of lions, hyenas, and other carnivores poses a constant threat. Consequently, giraffes have evolved to adopt a lifestyle that minimizes their risk of becoming a meal. Sleeping for extended periods would leave them vulnerable, so they have adapted to short, fragmented naps that allow them to remain alert to potential dangers. Interestingly, giraffes do not have a specific sleeping schedule. Instead, they take brief periods of rest throughout the day and night, often lasting just a few minutes at a time. This behavior is a survival strategy that enables them to keep an eye on their surroundings while still getting the rest they need. Research has shown that giraffes can enter a state of deep sleep, but this typically occurs when they feel safe and secure, often in the company of other giraffes. During these moments, they may bend their necks down and rest their heads on their hips or thighs, a sight that seems almost comical given their towering stature. The short sleep duration of giraffes also raises questions about their brain function and overall health. Sleep is crucial for most animals, playing a vital role in processes such as memory consolidation, immune function, and overall well-being. For giraffes, the challenge lies in balancing their need for rest with the necessity of staying vigilant against predators. While they may not sleep for long stretches, it is believed that the quality of their sleep is still significant. The ability to enter deep sleep for even a few minutes can provide them with the restorative benefits they require, even if the quantity is limited. In addition to their unique sleeping patterns, giraffes exhibit other fascinating behaviors related to rest. For instance, they often engage in a behavior known as necking, where males will spar with their necks in a display of strength and dominance. This ritual not only serves as a way to establish hierarchy within a group, but also provides an opportunity for social bonding. Such interactions are essential for the social structure of giraffe herds, which are typically loose and fluid. Unlike many other animals that form tight-knit family units, giraffes often come together in temporary groups, allowing for a diverse exchange of genetic material and social interactions. The giraffe's unique anatomy also plays a role in its sleep habits. Their long necks, while a marvel of evolution, present challenges when it comes to finding a comfortable position to rest. Unlike humans, who can easily lay down and find a comfortable sleeping posture, giraffes must navigate their height and weight to avoid straining their bodies. This is one reason why they often prefer to sleep while standing. However, when they do lie down, they must be cautious, as getting back up can be a cumbersome process. This is another factor that contributes to their limited sleep duration, as the act of lying down may expose them to predators during the vulnerable moments it takes to rise again. The environmental conditions in which giraffes live also influence their sleeping patterns. In the wild, they inhabit open savannas and woodlands where visibility is crucial for spotting potential threats. The vast landscapes provide limited cover, meaning that giraffes must remain vigilant even when they are resting. This constant awareness of their surroundings can lead to a heightened state of alertness, further reducing the amount of time they can afford to spend asleep. Interestingly, giraffes are not alone in their short sleep habits. Other large herbivores, such as elephants and some species of deer, also exhibit similar patterns. These animals share the same challenges of predation and must balance their need for food with the necessity of remaining alert. In the case of elephants, they may sleep for only a few hours a day, often taking short naps while standing. This parallel highlights a broader trend among large herbivores in the animal kingdom, where the pressures of survival dictate their behavior and lifestyle choices. The implications of giraffes' sleep patterns extend beyond individual health and survival. They also shed light on the broader ecological dynamics of their habitats. As keystone species, giraffes play a crucial role in shaping their environment. By feeding on leaves high in trees, they help maintain the balance of vegetation in their ecosystems. Their foraging habits can influence the growth patterns of various plant species, which in turn affects other herbivores and the overall biodiversity of the region. Understanding their behavior, including their sleep patterns, is vital for conservation efforts aimed at preserving their populations and the ecosystems they inhabit. As giraffes face increasing threats from habitat loss and poaching, it becomes even more critical to study their behavior and biology. Conservationists are working tirelessly to protect these magnificent creatures and their habitats, recognizing that every aspect of their lives is interconnected with the health of the environment. Educating the public about the unique challenges giraffes face, including their unusual sleep patterns, can foster a greater appreciation for these animals and the need for their protection. In captivity, giraffes may exhibit different sleeping behaviors compared to their wild counterparts. Zoos and wildlife parks provide a level of safety that allows these animals to relax more fully. However, even in these controlled environments, giraffes still tend to sleep for shorter durations compared to other species. The presence of humans and the artificial nature of their habitats can influence their stress levels, impacting their overall well-being. It is essential for caretakers to create environments that mimic the giraffe's natural habitats as closely as possible, allowing them to exhibit their natural behaviors, including their unique sleep patterns. The study of giraffe sleep habits also opens the door to broader discussions about animal behavior and the evolutionary adaptations that shape it. As scientists continue to explore the intricacies of animal sleep, they uncover fascinating insights into how different species have evolved to meet the demands of their environments. From the deep, restorative sleep of predators to the fragmented naps of prey, the diversity of sleep patterns across the animal kingdom reflects the complex interplay between survival, adaptation, and the ecological niches that each species occupies. In conclusion, the fact that giraffes sleep less than 30 minutes a day is a remarkable testament to their evolutionary adaptations and the challenges they face in the wild. Their unique sleeping habits highlight the delicate balance between rest and vigilance, shaped by the pressures of predation and the demands of their environment. As we continue to learn more about these magnificent creatures, we gain a deeper appreciation for their role in the ecosystem and the importance of conserving their habitats. Giraffes, with their long necks and gentle demeanor, remind us of the wonders of the natural world and the intricate behaviors that have evolved to ensure their survival.